Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a swan. For this, first you can take a square paper. Here I am taking a square paper of 15 centimeters. You can fold it to half. In a triangle shape you can fold and open it. And you can fold to the margin. In the triangle shape you can fold to the margin like this. Squeeze it well. In this side also you can do the same process. Crease it well and turn the paper to the other side. In this side also you can do the same process. You can fold the paper to the middle of the margin like this. Crease it well. Here also repeat the same process. In this side also you can repeat. This side also you can repeat the same process. Okay, next you can fold this end to the top of the edge. Okay, in this video I am showing how to fold. Okay, like this you can fold. Crease it well. This end you can fold to the our side you can fold. Okay, see here like this. To our side you can fold. And you can fold it to the middle. See here, you can fold it to the middle. Okay, like this you can fold. Okay, once again I am showing. You can fold it to the middle. Okay, now you can open it. Now you can open it. That's it. Our swan is ready. See here our beautiful swan. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Take care everyone.